was a box truck. Yeah, it flipped off and landed in the river over here.
What the fuck?
Yeah. Oh, I mean, this is back before all this was going on.
Oh,
Whoa, that's not a great place. Oh, shit.
They kissed that guardrail.
Yeah.
Really hard. After that one, there's another one.
Yeah, I see it.
Stay where you're going.
10 seconds. Another one. Cop coming. That's the ambulance.
Yeah, he's gonna lock traffic down.
Yeah. I see the cop now.
Give me that jacket. Thank you.
My way soon on your rock station at 99 cents.
Well,
I had to take advantage of it. Come on. I wanted to have fun too. I can slowly hear my voice coming back. So yeah, brand new stuff from Greta Van Fleet.
so
My way
there's
soon.
a medic, an engine,
Also,
and a
hey,
trooper.
Marilyn Manson's
I don't know
first
why.
Billboard charts with his new album We Are Chaos.
I don't know why the engine came out though. Should have been just a trooper and a medic.
Engines are usually the ones I feel like that drop like anything.
Manson just released his new video for Don't Chase the Dead. In the video,
Yeah, but it looks like a non-injury accident.
who plays Daryl Dixon on The Walking Dead. And you can see the music video right now at blitz.com. Just click on AirStop and scroll down to test.
Yeah.
Okay,
You got it?
I think we're
Yeah.
Marilyn Manson, We Are Chaos coming up next on the
Well, at
Blitz.
least now we know what they were responding to.
Yeah. Makes sense.
So what, as soon as you see a car sideways, I was like, ooh, yeah. We're gonna.
I wonder if you tap the other person.
I don't know. I don't know if that was like somebody that just came to help him. See, here's the advantage I have of having a lane lockdown.